All right, welcome. We have this question from JAMB 1986, question 20, where we are asked to factorize x squared plus 2a plus ax plus 2x. Now, quickly we dive into this question by writing solution. Solution. Next, we copy out our expression. So I have x squared plus 2a plus ax plus 2x. Next thing we do is we collect like terms. Hence, our expression becomes x squared. We have plus 2x. Next, we have plus ax. Lastly, we have plus 2a. We factorize out x from x squared plus 2x. So factorize at x. We'll open a bracket. We end up having now plus 2x within our bracket. Next, from plus ax plus 2a, we factorize out plus a. And we are left with x plus 2 brackets close. This ends up giving us a bracket open, x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open, x plus a bracket close. Therefore, our answer in this to this question is bracket open x plus 2 bracket close, bracket open x plus a bracket close. Thank you.